Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my Pinchme box for the month of November. If you guys have not heard of Pinchme box, then that's okay because it's very new to me. As of last month, I just discovered it, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys a little bit more about this box with you guys today. So if you guys are interested in a free beauty subscription box, then keep on watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I'm going to share with you guys how I achieved this eye look right here. And let's go ahead and start talking about Pinchme box, because I'm sure you guys want to know what this free beauty box is all about. This video is actually sponsored from Pinchme, and I just wanted to make sure that I was able to answer your guys' questions from the last video. I received quite a few DMs when I posted my video on Instagram, so I wanted to answer the questions for you guys. So a couple questions that I received was, am I going to receive all those products that you're showing on camera? And the answer is yes, you could receive all the products that I receive, but you are able to select the products that you want inside of your box. And they are not going to be the full-size item. I do have full-size products for you guys. This is the influencer box. If you guys do want to get these full-size products, the brands are able to provide you with coupons so that you're able to purchase the full-size product. But most of the products that are going to be arriving inside of your guys' box will be sample sizes, and that's kind of like Sephora. When you buy something, you get little samples just so that you guys can get an idea of what the product is like, if you're going to like it or not. But they provide you with coupons, which Sephora doesn't do. They might. I don't know. I haven't shopped at Sephora in a while. And all you have to do once you receive your Pinchme box is review the product on their website, and that is it. If you guys want to continue to receive more stuff, then you guys will have to continue to leave reviews for the brands just so that they get feedback in regards to their products, and they're also able to provide you with discounts so that you purchase their full-size products. So that's kind of how this beauty subscription box works. If you guys are all for it, I'm going to have a link listed down below in the description box, which I do not earn commission based off of you guys signing up. This is a free beauty subscription box. So I know when I posted that video telling you guys that it was a free beauty subscription box, it kind of like sounds a little bit too good to be true. And I was with you guys when I first heard of the box. I'm like, how does it work? So that's why I decided to explain to you guys how this beauty subscription box works. Most of the products that you do receive in your box will be sample sizes, but sometimes they might be full size. The first item that I have inside of my box is the Skylar Sun Shower Hand Sanitizer. Who knew hand sanitizer could smell so good? This one is citrusy and dewy, all while keeping 99.9% of germs without drying out your hands. So I haven't tried it. Let me go ahead and snap this open so that I can see how good it smells. I live near a freaking airport, and these airplanes, man, they're getting on my goddamn nerves today. So I have to spin it in order for it to like open, but I've been spinning for a while here, so let me figure this out off camera. It was already open. All I had to do is remove this little part right here, and it opens. It does smell citrusy. Let me take off my ring. It smells like perfume. Once the hand sanitizer completely dries off, it does leave like a really nice scent to it. Definitely citrusy, but kind of like floral in a way. My hands do not feel over dry, and I've been struggling with that lately since I'm washing my hands so frequently because due to the COVID, I don't even want to say it because I'll be demonetized, but yeah, I really needed a hand sanitizer that was not going to over dry my hands. So let's move it along to the next product. The next product is this concentrated retinol serum. It looks like this here. Let me take it out of the box actually. So this is a quick absorbing and highly concentrated retinol formula that is 5 times as effective, made with calming antioxidants to reduce irritation. And this is from the brand Club Skin Gym. Never heard of that brand, but again, that is why I love beauty subscription boxes. You get to discover new brands and like see if it works for you, and if it doesn't, then it's not going to hurt your pocket. This beauty subscription box is free. And let me take out the actual packaging. Okay, so here is the dropper. The dropper got a little bit defective inside of the box. But let me read the back of it because I still don't have any idea what this is for. This is a concentrated retinol serum. It helps to improve the look of discoloration, lines, wrinkles, pore size, uneven skin tone, and blemishes. The directions to use this, it says, use this product, push down and twist child-resistant cap closure, which is awesome. On clean skin, dispense 3 to 4 drops for full face and massage gently into fingertips in the evening. Immediately replace cap tightly. So I knew that this was an evening product, and I'm not about to take off my makeup for this. So it's actually, I'm filming during the day for the first time in like a while. And yeah, I'm excited to try this. Let me feel what it, let me go ahead and put some in the back of my hand like that. Oh, that scent is not my favorite. My skin feels like really moisturized. I don't know if you guys can see. No, you guys can't see it on camera. But it definitely moisturized my skin really nicely. And it just feels really like moisturized. I can't explain it any other way. I don't know. I don't like the scent of it, but I really do love how my skin is feeling just by placing it to the back of my hand. So I'm going to continue to play around with that and include that into my skincare. Right in here is the Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peel. Use this easy 2-step daily peel to improve skin's texture, the appearance of pores and fine lines and wrinkles. Who doesn't love a glow up? So this being the second skincare product that I'm receiving, it helps with the pores, fine lines, and the appearance of uneven skin tone and all that. So I'm excited about all these products here because with my acne, I definitely started to experience like discoloration in this area. And yeah, girl, I just need to take care of my skin before it's too late. I'm getting all these little crow's feet right in here. My forehead in the morning is looking like really... Okay, so taking it out of the box, this is what these little peels look like. Exfoliate and smooth. Oh, okay. Oh, there's 2 steps. Didn't know that. You guys can see right here is the first step, and this is the second step. This is the exfoliate and smooth, and this one is the anti-aging neutralizer. This is recommended to use in the morning and in the evening. So again, I'm not going to wipe off my beautiful makeup right now to show you guys, but you guys can stay tuned for some skincare videos for my Instagram. I haven't been filming those, so I do plan to do that very soon. The next products that I have here are 2 nail polishes from Easy. I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but I do love their nail polishes, and I actually received the same exact colors in last month's box, so I'm going to put these away for a giveaway, and I'm going to show you guys some swatches of what these look like. This one here is in the color Crop Top and Roll, and then this fall orangey color is in a flash sale. So a little bit about these nail polishes. I'm going to read from the pamphlet. It says, hate waiting for your nail polish to dry? Well, Easy has solved that problem with their Easy Expressy Quick Dry Nail Polish formula. We hope you love these super cute colors. And now moving along to the next product inside of the box is the one that I was like, what? I was super excited about this because I do not own anything from this brand, and this is a pretty well-known brand. If you are into makeup, I'm pretty sure you have heard of this brand. I just have not gotten the chance to try this brand. So I have the Warrior by Juvia's eyeshadow palette. When I first opened this palette, I really thought that this was going to be like a contouring, highlight, and all of that type of palette because the pan sizes are extremely big. You guys can see that they're pretty big. I'm going to show you guys how to use this palette. You guys can see here that I did something very... I think it's pretty simple, and I was really inspired to do a makeup look that was super easy for Thanksgiving dinner, Thanksgiving glam. So I hope you guys are into this look that I created, and let's go ahead and jump into a little tutorial using this palette here. I'm looking that this palette here originally retails for $20. It's currently only $12 on the Ulta Beauty website, which I'll have linked down below for you guys. I already had concealer on my eyelid, and it was already set with some setting powder, so I'm just going to go over all of that and just place this color called Alosi. I'm just going in there and brightening up this area right here. I'm using the same exact brush. This is the Sigma 20 eyeshadow brush, and I'm using the color Cano, and I'm going to lift up my eyebrow like so and just deposit this color into the crease area. Slowly we're going to start to blend this color upwards, but for right now we're just placing it into the crease area. I'm going to take a different brush now, and I'm going to use the Morphe. This does not have a number. I just know it's from the Madison Beer collection, and it looks like this here. It's rounded, but yet fluffy. And I'm just going to really deposit the color into the crease area just to bring that intensity into the crease. The next color I'm taking is called Idia. That is beautiful. I'm going to take my finger, and I can feel that it's very buttery, very nice. With the brush, I'm just going to kind of create like a line right here, just so it can look a little bit cleaner. But with my finger, I'm getting that intensity that I want. I am experiencing a little bit of fallout in this area right here, as you guys can see. So I'm going to take the color Ahosi. And like I said, I kind of want to apply it at the under eye area just to brighten things up. But I'm also kind of sweeping away the fallout, as you guys can see. Really great for brightening up the under eye area. Alright, so I want to use another of the shimmer shades just so you guys can get an idea of what these colors look like. So I'm going to be taking the color Dahomey. Dahomey? Dahomey? Girl, I don't know. These names are a little confusing. So I'm just going to be placing that at this outer corner right here. Again, this is a shimmer shade, and we're going to start to work it inwards to the other color. And I like to start at the end just so that we start creating like a little gradient effect. We don't want to see these colors like right next to each other. I feel like when I see those looks, I just get really like I get anxiety when I see people not blend their shadows correctly. So all you have to do is just place it at the outer edge and then just start working your way in there without adding any more eyeshadow. That way they just like blend really nicely into each other. And as you can see, they are starting to blend really nice. So once I have that, I'm going to also go into this color with my finger and just place it out here. Again, I'm going to take the color Ahosi and just kind of like flick the under eye area so that we remove that fallout. Okay. Now I'm going to be using a Sigma 10 brush, and I'm going to go into the darkest shade, which is called Mino. With Mino, I'm just going to be placing it right out here. Like so. Just depositing the color like that. And then we're going to start to blend out and into the crease area and out again. I just applied a little bit just so that we can start to build up on the intensity, but first I just want to deposit the color at this outer edge and into the crease, out this way, into the crease, and just continue to blend until you're happy with how it's looking. I could make this color a little bit more intense, but I don't want to do something too crazy. I want to do something kind of like for Thanksgiving, since, you know, it's Thanksgiving Day. I don't know when this video will be up, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be up Thanksgiving Day or the day before. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of inspo for your makeup. Okay, I'm happy with that. And again, I'm going to go back into the color Ahosi and just use it to flick out the fallout. I really want to use the color Moremi and just apply it to the water duct right here. Kind of bringing it down a little bit in this area. Really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps over to this eye. I'm going to apply some mascara, some lashes, and put on a really nice lip. I just put on some eyelashes. These are my eyelashes in the style Bashful. I'll have these linked down below. By the way, I'm going to be having a huge sale on Black Friday, so make sure you guys make your way over to my website and check out these eyelashes here, which are going to be only $7. I really wanted to try one of the shades from this palette here. I'm going to use the color Amina, which is this one right here. Oh my god, stupid palette keeps closing on me. I'm going to use that as a highlighter. So let's see how that turns out. I'm going to just go ahead and place it right in here. Whew! That is really much. There's so many other shimmers in here that I think will work really great for all skin tones as highlighters. And that wraps it up for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved these eyes. I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving with your loved ones. Stay safe and social distance as much as possible. I'm just kind of like, I just want this to all be over. If you guys are interested in this beauty subscription box, don't forget to check out the link down below. And also, I'm going to be launching all of my press-on nails, my gel polishes, and all of my nail collection on Friday, November 27th. Don't forget to make your way over to my Instagram, follow my business account, and also subscribe to my newsletter. My business website is going to be also linked down below in my description box. I have my press-on nails on right now, and this color here is the color Peachy. I also have the glitter nail on these fingers right here. This is Starlight. And then I have the little rhinestones that I'm also going to be launching. So I'm going to share with you guys so many other tutorials doing press-on nails. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!